Greetings everyone. My name is Reno and today we are going to see algorithms in interviews. So our agenda for today is we are going to look at a problem and its explanation and what algorithm we are using for it and its representation, why we are using that algorithm and a real life example. The problem we are taken today is traveling salesman problem. What is traveling salesman problem? Suppose we are having 5 or 6 cities given. We have to go from one city to the other city, like the last city, but we are having 2 or 3 cities in between. We have to go to the last city by traversing through the every city by without going back to an a visited city. So that is why we are using traveling salesman problem. Let's look at the objective. To find the shortest possible route that visits each city exactly once and returns to the starting city. In other words, the goal is to minimize the total distance or cost traveled in a tour that traverses all cities in the given set. How to solve traveling salesman problem? There are a lot of ways to solve traveling salesman problem, but the algorithm we are going to use is nearest neighbor algorithm. How nearest neighbor algorithm works? So we have to select a starting point. We from one city we can go to a lot of cities. So we will choose the shortest path between it. So we will move the nearest unvisited vertex using the edge with smallest weight. And we are going to repeat the same procedure until the circuit is complete. So here is a visual representation. We are given 5 nodes and let's take a root node 1. From 1 we can go to all 5 cities, all 4 cities, but the path costs are different. So we will choose the shortest path, which is 5, and we will go to the city number 2. And from we can go to all other 4 cities, but we can't visit the city 1 because it's the root node and we have visited it before. So we have 3 other possible solutions. And from that, 4 is the shortest path. So we will be going to this node 3 and we will be repeating the same step until we reach uh, back to the numbers 1 city. Why we are using nearest neighbor algorithm? There are a lot of advantages for nearest neighbor algorithm. Simplicity. It's actually very simple to understand and we can implement it in the code very easily. And its efficiency. It is not much efficient compared to other algorithms, but it is very useful in certain cases. The time complexity is order of n square and the speed. In some cases, this algorithm is very fast. And here is a real life example. Public transportation. Nearest neighbor algorithm is very useful in public transportation. So we are going from one city to other city, or so in that situations we can use this algorithm to determine the shortest path. Thank you.